Homely.
Family.
Place for me to step out of my comfort zone. Friendship.
CAPT is a friendly and welcoming place.
Family.
Hotel.
My jam sessions with my friends. So a lot of people in CAPT are very musically talented or they are very interested in music. So there are a lot of people with instruments and we always come together and just play some music and chill.
Probably in year 1 where I participated in ING. I just like how everyone was so willing to try out new sports, how everyone was so willing to like cheer on each other to like just have fun.
When I have supper with my neighbour every Tuesday, we make it a point that whatever we have that day will end around like midnight. Then we'll like eat together, we cook cup noodles and just chill and talk.
During the suppers at night, so like every night we'll just open chill supper after like a very tiring day of studying. So we just come together, talk about the day, you know, share some gossips, play bridge, have some midnight talks all the way until like 3-4 a.m. and regret it at AM in the morning after that.
Lunch. Because we will eat lunch every day without fail and we will always chill at 12 noon sharp.
Fun sessions we have in the lounge. We have dessert sessions like we have tang yen, we have mochis, and we have gaming sessions also like Smash and Mario Kart. So I guess these are the memories that I will keep with them for life.
Just within CAPT itself, when you first step in, right, you see that the people are actually very friendly. It's kind of different from outside world. To know that you have these kind of friends who are very trustworthy, very loyal, it's quite a touching and heartwarming feeling lah.
Opportunities that we have, especially in terms of community engagement. Because like personally, I had the chance to take sign language lessons. Next sem, I'm doing PACE, so I get to work with like animals and kids with dyslexia. Something that CAPT provides that we cannot find anywhere else, and I'm very proud of that.
The house spirit. You can identify yourself with a particular house. So it's something that I feel it gives me a sense of identity.
I would say the people, they like to be the first one to respond if anyone needs help or if anyone needs like assistance. Overall, it just makes the whole experience in CAPT a lot more enjoyable and a lot more friendly.
I would say the community here. Honestly, not everyone comes in with CAPT with the same idea. The people do grow and you can see our values really being exemplified within many of them.
One thing good that came out of zoning is really to meet people from the same faculty. So getting to know them, supporting one another through the common modules that we took.
Because of our inability to meet people from other zones, this resulted in us having to interact and live with people in our own faculties also. And because of that, I've nurtured a lot of new friendships in business.
Helping each other to tapao lunch, because with zoning, we can't go to the different food courts in NUS in big groups. So what we do is we help each other tapao. This also helps us to actually understand what we can do for each other.
Okay, I took a few senior seminars and junior seminars. Hidden Comms was still one of the most memorable because there was a lot of activities involved, there was a lot of field trips. The way lessons were conducted were quite free.
Power and Idea is taught by Prof. Ruben. Quite enjoyed it because it really opened my perspective to different communities and there was field trips, so it was really fun.
Discovering Singapore heritage and history, conducted by Dr. Joel. Because it's not the very academic module that I was expecting, so we actually discover things that we often neglect, like the beauties of Mother Nature around us.
Football, because it's a very fun sport and no matter whether you're new or you've played before, you still can come together and have fun.
Captain's Ball. Quite a few of us will just come down for Captain's Ball and we'll like just join one team and then we'll play together against the other houses. We really bonded through these sessions.
R4D. R4D is quite chill, so it's a IG that kind of caters to people of all skill level from beginners to advanced, and then like there's no pressure to do well, so it's just a very fun environment.
Because of the volleyball IG, I was able to like have the opportunity to pursue volleyball again. It still allowed me to have fun and at the same time be competitive.
The baking club, they really cook very nice food.
Ben & Jerry's strawberry cheesecake flavor.
The lor mee.
Anything that has fish.
The lasagna.
Laksa. Sometimes it gets a bit cold in CAPT and like when you eat laksa, it's like very shiok feeling.
Since we are a community engagement focused college, what I would hope for CAPT moving forward would be to make a greater impact into the community in the future. I just hope CAPT will continue to be just a welcoming place for people to really find friends and family, and also be a place where they really enjoy studying and having fun.
I just hope that CAPT will always be a place that people will make lifelong friendships and memories at.
I hope that CAPT will be a safe space for everyone, yeah? A home away from home.
Obviously look forward to joining CAPT because the experience in CAPT is something that you cannot find anywhere else, not in any other RCs or any other halls. By joining CAPT, we are given the opportunity to make a difference to the communities around us, at the same time nurture and grow ourselves to become better people for the community.
Okay, CAPT's a place where you can learn new things and step out your comfort zone without feeling pressured, where you can find friends, be in a community and have fun while balancing your academics.
Be prepared to have fun. Have a purpose before you come in.
Don't hesitate to join CAPT. CAPT is the best.
Always come in with an open mind. Be willing to try new things. Don't be afraid of the new things. Yeah.
I never saw myself coming to CAPT until very late on into uni applications, but I really think that it's one of the best decisions that I've made in my life, and it could be yours too.
Thank you.
I would tell them that they should... I don't know what to tell them.
The people in CAPT care about... Okay, never mind.
Okay, wait, I cannot say